Okay, now look at the board, children. Here is the second question before you. Read the question very nicely. Imagine all the situation. Create a picture, practical picture in your mind, and then proceed to start writing the message. Let us read. If you find some important things which you have to take from the question itself, like the sender's, receiver's name and all, you may underline even, like notice writing. You are Mohan, Mohini. We may underline. Who are we? Mohan or Mohini. The course textbooks are to be distributed to the students of class 7. The new session has begun. You all have deposited your fees, and now the course textbooks are to be distributed to the students from the side of the school. They have already charged for it. Okay, from Monday to Thursday. Yes, since we will write this full as it is, even if you don't underline, it's okay. Monday to Thursday, 7th class students, maybe they have allotted different days for different classes. So 7th class turn is Monday to Thursday. Write a message to your friend who is not coming to school for the last few days. Okay, so you have reached your friend's house to inform him. Now he is not there at home. Okay, so you will leave a message at his home for him on a piece of paper, short and sweet message. So let us now begin. What you will start with the date. Let us take today's date. Here is your margin. June 20, 2020. What is the timing? Any timing of the day after the school hours. Okay, don't write the timing, duration when you are in the school. So we will write the afternoon timing. Please write this timing in a proper format. Time 3 p.m. AM will be in the night. Okay, and now the salutation. Salutation means name of your friend. You are Mohan, Mohini. Your friend's name is not given. We may write anything. Okay, or dear. Even you can write directly the name, or you may salute as dear. Dear Ashwin. Clear? Then directly the message in short and sweet language. Okay, what only you have to give this and information. Okay, so we may write here course textbooks. We will copy as it is from the message in the capital letters in the beginning, because it is the main highlighted thing. Course textbooks to be distributed. No need to put are there. In short, and we may omit some words. Some parts of speech we may omit. It is message writing. To be distributed from Monday to Thursday. Okay, class also we have to mention. Course textbooks to be distributed from Monday to Thursday to class 7th. No need to write this to the students of class 7. Class 7th means definitely to the students. It doesn't mean they will keep all the things in the room only. Okay, to class 7th. So after that, what you have to tell him? Another important. If it is important, then only we'll write. We will write the important sentence. Please come and collect soon. Okay, otherwise the stock may be finished. So in short, please come soon and collect. Please come soon and collect. Okay, so that's what. This is the way to write the message in a very short and sweet language, omitting extra words. Even we may omit the helping verbs or some prepositions. Direct language you have to write in short and sweet language. Now your name, you have Mohan or Mohini. I am writing Mohini. If you are a boy, you may write Mohan even. Then I have told you, you may enclose it in a box if you feel necessary. Otherwise, it's okay. Not necessary. Clear? So I may leave it here. The message is clear. Only the two things are there. You have to inform and you have to tell him to collect. Okay. So course textbooks are distributed for class 7th from Monday to Thursday. Please come soon and collect them. Okay, that's all. So now here again, I am rubbing the board for the next example. So as you can see, children, on the board, here the next question is before you, example number 4. We will read nicely, underline the important things required to put up in our message, and then create the scene. Okay, imagine it to be happening with you. Okay, so put up our correct feelings there. You are Nishant. Who are you? Nishant. See now the boy's name. So now girls will also write Nishant. No other option is there for you. Going to play a match along with other team members. Okay. Some team members have come to your house to receive you, or maybe some team is going to play the match. Maybe cricket match, football match, whatever. So you are also going along with them. Okay. This much you understood? Now write a message to your parents. Whom you have to write? To your parents. Why? Informing them as they are not at home at that time. Children, you are marching from your home, proceeding from your home, going to play the match from your home. Now at that time your parents are not at home, so you have to inform them. Okay, you are not having a mobile phone, and so how you will inform? You will leave a message on a piece of writing at home, maybe in your room or somewhere where they will find it easily when they enter the house, or maybe near the main door. So this way your parents will come to know. Otherwise when they reach your home, they will be searching you and you have no mobile phone. So where to contact? They will be in trouble, means in tension, searching you. So if they find your message, things will be clear and they will not be in the tension. So now let us begin. Situation is clear. You have to go to play a match with some team members. Okay, with the team. Your parents are not at home. You have to inform them and go away. So simple. Now let us begin. Clear? Margin. Draw the margin line. Date. Today's date is June 20, 2020. Clear? Now we have to mention the timing. Children, always remember, whenever you are writing a notice, you may write the school hours, duration, timing. But in the notice, in the message writing, never write the duration when you are in the school. 8 to 3 o'clock, do not mention that time, because that time you cannot go anywhere out of your school and leave a message anywhere. So always use this brain, common sense, that you have to put up the timing of the afternoon or evening only. Okay, so here the timing, you are going to play the match. So we may write here 4 p.m. Now salutation to your friend. Who is your friend? Friend's name not given. We may write anything. Or no, we have to write to the parents. Sorry, we have to write to the parents. That's why we have underlined here. So what you will write? Either you can write to your mama or papa. Maybe both of them will not be at home coming together. So you will write dear mother or dear father. Generally mothers remain at home. So we will write dear mother. That's all. Now message, short and sweet. Maybe starting with the ing form of the verb. No need for extra words and helping verbs. So you will inform going to play the match with team members. Read here. Going to play. Do not write I am going to play so and so match with the team members. They have come to our house. No need to write all these sentences. Going to play the match with team members. Okay. That's shall return. Shall return within 2 hours, so that they will not be worried how long you will play there. Okay. Shall return within 2 hours. Only this much information was required to be conveyed to your parents, that you are leaving your home for playing the match. When you will return, that also okay, will return within 2 hours. Do not shall return. Do not write I shall be returning home, I shall come back. No need for writing all these extra words there. Okay, now subscription with your name only. You are Nishant. Girls also have to write Nishant. Clear? So here the message is over. Now I think many of you might be well conversed with the with the procedure or the method of writing. Okay, first you have to read the question nicely, underlining all the important requirements of the message which we have to put up here. Second thing, imagine the situation practically. Imagine you are that person who is writing the message, so the things will be very finely clear to you, and then you will never make a mistake in message writing. Okay, in the next lecture, I'm going to deal with maybe 2, 3 or 1 or 2 more examples. Okay, thank you.